So with your right side facing you like this, you're going to fold it in half. Now you have the wrong side facing out. Let me zoom in here. This is your wrong side. So all your bobble stitches should be poked out in there. So this is slightly different than the twisted look in my other video tutorial. Instead of the twisted look, we are going to go for a crisscross or an X look, and I will show you what I mean. So before you go any further, go ahead and attach your yarn to your needle. This will just make life so much easier. Now, go ahead and take this end and fold it like that in half. And take this end and fold it in half. And for the normal twisted look, you're going to put all of this together like that and sew it. But we're doing an X. So you're going to interlock them, but we're not going to quite go all the way in there. We're just going to go about halfway and leave some gaps over here on the side. Get everything nice and tidy. So be sure you have your gaps over here. And you want to make sure you're going to go through both loops whenever you go through each row. And you go through all 4 rows here. So what I do is I kind of lift up as I go. So I've got 2 loops and 3 rows. Last row right here is the 4th row. And I've got 2 loops. So then gently pull through there. And then I just give it a little tug. And now you're going to come back through. So make sure you've got 2 loops. Next row, 2 loops. Next row, 2 loops. And the next row, 2 loops. And now pull through. Give it a little tug. Go on to the next row. There's our 2 and 2 and 2 in the last row. Whoop. And the last row, 2. And pull through there. Okay. Got our 2 loops. Go to the next one. We've got our 2 loops. And there's one down here. Let's go down there and get that and pull it up. Got our 2 loops there. And then the last row, we'll pick up those 2 loops there. Okay. Give that a slight tug, and now we're going to take these 2 holes here and we're going to pull those together like this. And I'm going to move my work around because it's going to be easier for me to do it this way. So there's our first 2 right here. 2 loops for the first one, 2 loops for the second one. Pull through. The next one, 2 loops and 2 loops. Pull through. Go to the next one. I always be sure to get this little corner right here too. So give it a slight tug. And then before I weave in my ends, I always turn it right side out and make sure everything looks okay. Give it a couple little tugs there. Okay, everything looks fine, so I flip it back. And then I just weave in both ends and it's finished. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and that you have fun crocheting these ear warmers. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I will be happy to respond to you.